You've heard about it, guys. It's been going on for years. Perhaps you want to try it. Maybe this video will push you over the edge. Stay tuned. Hey, Sweet Willy's Kitchen here. Had a massive, good response from some manufacturers who wanted to send me product to do videos. So I said, sure, I'll do the video because who likes playing around with new stuff? And again, we might learn something before it's done. So like I say in all my videos, every time we do a review, something is going to come of it. Okay, so we're going to learn something here. But in this case here, we've got this product here, the Slow Juicer. Dr. Hetzner Slow Juicer. The woman who was so kind enough to give me the the blender, the stick blender years ago, asked me if I'd be willing to do something with the Slow Juicer. Sure, give me a shot. I mean, send it over to me. We'll see what we can come up with it. Now, I'm sure we've all seen what juicers do, and some of these things get upwards of $300, $400, $500, and that's a whole different ball game. But if you're just curious about it and it's something that you want to incorporate in your healthy lifestyle, you know what? Why don't we do this? This is a good starter one. The price point is very reasonable, and we'll have the link down below. You can get this and you'll see for yourself. It's something that I've always wanted to do, but the price of some of these juicers is just out of whack. So this is a good example of a good entry-level slow juicer, and it would probably give you many years of good service, and it's not going to break the bank. So we all heard about the benefits of juicing. It's ways to get more vegetables and fruits, and typically it's an 80-20 mix, 80% vegetables, 20% fruits. Again, we've got the antioxidants, all the vitamins, all the health benefits. We've read about it, so there's really no need to go over it. So how do we get those? Well, buying it over the counter, the store-bought stuff, okay, but it gets expensive. And you have to consume it right away. Here, you can do this on your own time. So we've got this. It's got everything I'm going to need. It's got the motor. It's got the auger. It's going to have the extractor area and also the pulp rejector. So I'm going to take this out of the box. That's what we do. We'll just take it right out of the box. And you have your instructions to tell you how to do it. Looks like the holder here. This is not a toothbrush. This is probably a cleaning brush here. And let's get this going. These look like the containers. Oh, this is the meat. This is the whole juicing mechanism. We'll take that apart and show you how it works. And this is the power. That's the drive function. So here we go. So there we go. That's your motor drive. And we got your 4 functions. We got our off, so it doesn't run anymore. We've got our soft. This would be for your soft fruits and vegetables, like your I guess your watermelons, your cherries and stuff. Most of the stuff, they said, when in doubt, put the hard. And if you get a jam or anything, we also have the reverse that'll help get things unclogged. So now it's time to let's get this thing together. So again, here's the whole ooba dooba dooba thing. This is the top piece. We'll get to that later. So here's your auger. This is the business end of the thing. Everything is all sealed with the proper what do you call it? The gasketing. We're good there. This is the screen. All right. This is what's going to do all the juicing. So that goes in like so. Okay. And there is the piece that we're going to get this all back together, and she just turns, quarter turn. We're good. And this is just a piece. This is where the extractor goes out. All the juice comes out here, and all the pulp and everything comes out there. So that is that. That will go into here. This looks like that. This is the, you push that in. This will get everything, there we go. Push it in, insert, let go, clicks in, and we're ready to go. Here's our tray. Our stuffing piece. We've got one, we've got two. So, that's the setup, okay? And we're ready to go. Oh, I actually have to plug this in because it runs on electricity. 110 here in the United States. All right. Okay. Our buttons are pushed. It is off. So let's start with something here. Now I put some things together from a previous video, and that's why we did this. So I've got some carrot. I went online and looked up some juicing, and I got some recipes here. So we've got one. It's going to be carrots, some lemon, some ginger, and we're going to finish it off with a little bit of cayenne. So let's see here. We'll start off with hard. That's that. That's relatively quiet. Put one of these bad boys in here. And we have juice. We have carrot juice coming out here. It's a slow juicer, so it's a high torque. Low speed, but high torque. And you need that torque to give you that pressure. A nice grinding force. So, go. Got ourselves a nice steady flow here. Now I'm sure if you had the, you've got this pulp here, I'm sure you could use this pulp for any, if you do any composting, if you got a garden, you need to do some fertilizing, I'm sure that'll be a nice way of doing that, or you can put it down your garbage disposal. Or you can eat it. It's pretty dry though, because all the juice was taken out. Okay, that's pretty fibrous. All right, let's see what this lemon does. Wow, that lemon really, really does its thing. All right. Yeah, that really dries out. Okay. So let's stop. Turn it off. And let's see here. See how this works out here. Let's see our carrot juice. And mind you, that's only a few small carrots. We didn't make a whole lot. And we'll get a little tap of cayenne there. And here's to your health. It's pretty good. Wow, you get the snap from the ginger, and you get the acidity from the lemon and the carrot. It's naturally sweet, all good stuff. We're gonna do one more. I feel healthy already. More, and this is called the Green Juice Cleanse. Okay, we're gonna use a handful of spinach, we're going to use a couple kale leaves, only 3 kale leaves. I don't know why only 3. All right, so we're going to use some spinach, kale, apples, celery, cucumber, and lemon. So that is the story. That's what we're going to do here. So let's get the cucumber going here. That helps to actually. What they say is they want you to use cucumber because of the water content. You use your cucumbers because it helps clean out the unit a little better. So that's all well good. Where is my plungers over here? There's my plunger. Cucumber is wonderful. It smells nice. Ever get that nice cucumber water, guys? When you go to a spa or a hotel, it's always fun. This is about 1.5 inch opening, so think about that when you pre-cut your pieces. Maybe I didn't. In the kale, but let's run the kale through. Didn't see that. Put a handful of kale in. This is some goodness that goes with the kales. And a handful of spinach. I love spinach. Who doesn't love spinach? I used to like it. My friends didn't like it growing up. I don't know. Who likes spinach out there? Mommy, you like spinach?
Mommy likes spinach.
There we go. Mommy loves spinach. Spinach salad.
I just had a spinach goat cheese burger.
Oh no! A spinach goat cheese burger.
Smash burger.
That's smash burger. Is it as good as my burger?
Nope. It was good.
There you go. Okay. Give it a nice push. Oh wow, that green stuff is really coming in there. Hey, it's just holding its own. Throw in some carrots. Wow, this really jumps in the carrots. I'm sorry, the celery. It really does a number on the celery. All right. It's holding its own. Okay, there we go. Stop. Healthy times. Okay guys, let's see what we've got. See, we've put everything together so it's going to mix up all right. Oh yeah. That's the green stuff. What people pay for this stuff is unbelievable. So guys, here's to your health. I got low battery, so listen. I want to thank everybody for watching. I want to thank the folks from Dr. Hetzner for sending me this wonderful juicer. It's been fun. I'm going to be using this quite a bit this summertime. So for me and my sponsor, the kindly Dr. Hetzner, here's to your health and have a great day. Bye-bye.